Ew, Murphy, that's disgusting. And Freckles, I don't know. Yeah, that's right. You scratch your little bum, Freckles. You little freckle. Hello, Murphy. It's Freckles. And somebody. Murph. I'm just gonna show. I just wanted to get into clips. This is what it looks like outside today. This is what it looks outside today. We had a snowstorm. Well, not really a snowstorm, but it's just not really. This is what my outside looks like. If you recognize this street or whatever it's on. If you know what the street name, I'm not telling you the street name. You're gonna have to guess in the comments. And there's my like and subscribe.